guys, we're up here west of Dallas at Bear Creek Golf Club. We're doing a PMA event, PMA's Lone Star District second annual golf event. Drove up here this morning, left the office at 5 a.m. and the weather was supposed to be hail all morning. Fortunately, it has not rained yet, but it is getting chilly. The storms look like they might be rolling in, but we're here for 18 holes of golf to see if we can win it. Last year, we tied for first place at -14. This year, we're going to see if we can take it. Let's jump into the event.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Look, they can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, because I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you I'm with it. I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably getting on me.
So my name's Kyle Milan. I'm the vice chair working with Lisa for the PMA. And so I work for a sales and marketing agency in industrial called MFG Tribe. We're talking about recruiting, we're talking about getting attention, we're talking about standing out from the competition. That's simple marketing things, but it's the same thing that you have to look at. When the workforce is small with trade workers, et cetera, they have options. When they have options, they're going to look you guys up and see who do they feel is the best. It's no longer just the job posting is out there, I'm going to go after this job. There's tons of options. So I had this idea, well, hey, how do you stand out? So what we did was we went there, we interviewed for the 8 different types of position that they had, interviewed the person currently in the position, filmed B-roll footage of them doing the job, and accompanied that with the job post. It drastically increased the amount of applications that they had. They're talking about culture, they're talking about how it's a family-owned business, how they care, how they've been there 8 years, how they started as a fork truck driver and then went to first shift supervisor, and then like, it's just to be different. So I would urge you guys, if you're having issues, create a video. That's how you stand out.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, please don't play no games with me. It was never about the fame to me. They needed the best, so they came to me. Whoa, who the best in this thing? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Tell them who bring the vibe, say, yeah, that's me. Who make it flip, make it bang, ooh, yeah, that's me. Who make the party feel alive, tell them, yeah, that's me.
It's curling left a little bit. I mean, but if we're gonna play, what do I think it's gonna, what do you mean?
Like, do you think we can?
I think you can punch it and run it. I think you can bump and run it with like a 7 and let that fucker roll up there.
You did it, you dirty bastard. You.
Oh, short. It was short.
So.
There you go. There you go. Come on back. It's coming. Yes! There we go. That's a fucking shot right there. Yes! Let's go. That's gone. You got what? Not you. It's right where the bunker's on, straight ahead. We've got 3 degree engineers that write articles. So last year we did 1,500 videos for our clients, 800 articles we wrote. We managed basically everything. It's wet. We're 1 under after 2 holes, so that's not bad, but it doesn't make it for a lot of fun when you're just playing in rain and running back to your cart. 92 yards. 5 iron. I'm fucking soaking wet. 5.
Like that. There you go. Come on. Get up. Come on. Come on, yes!
She's on. Yeah, his. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. that, Riley. Now that is how you win.
So for the longest drive, we've got Alex Brown. Get a $50 gift certificate. Yeah, just one.
Oh, just one.
Yeah. And then for
All right, guys, we just finished up the PMA Lone Star second annual golf outing. Had about 80 golfers show up. We ended up finishing at 8 under. I think it was like third, fourth place. Alex got longest drive. Plus, we got some raffle items, so that was super fun. But did some good donations for a good cause, PMA Lone Star District. Wrapping up today, finishing up now. It is almost 9 o'clock. We've got half our team's got a long 4-hour drive back to Austin. The rest of us doing some work here for the next couple of days outside of Dallas. We'll see you on the next one.